Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, what are we learning today? Today, we will be learning about our delicious food. Yes, the food that we relish, the food that we eat every day. We eat, animals eat, even the plants eat. So, the things that we eat is called food, and the food, it can be junk food, it can be healthy food, but whatever we eat, it is called food. Now, which kind of food do we get from where? Which kind of food should we eat? Which kind of food we should avoid eating? All these things we will learn in today's lesson. Alright, so what is food? The things humans, animals and plants eat are called food. It can be bread, vegetables, fruits, flesh or any other thing. So, it can be vegetarian food, it can be non-vegetarian food. Vegetarian food is the food that we get from plants, and the non-vegetarian food is the food that we get from animals. Okay, so anything that we eat is food. Humans, animals and plants all need food to live and grow. So, all the living creatures that breathe like us, like animals, like plants, all these creatures which are created by God, all of these creatures, they grow, they live, and for that they need food. So you can see that a child is eating a bread, and this is an animal which is lion, and it is eating flesh, and plant that absorbs sunlight and water to make its food. Okay, so you know what, the bread is the oldest food invented by the man about 30,000 years ago. So one food which is invented by the man, which is the oldest one, and it is 30,000 years ago, it is bread. The need for food. That means, why do we need food? Every living thing needs the energy to live. So, we need energy to live, to do different things, to play, to write, to speak, to walk, to jump. For all these things, we need energy. And from where do we get this energy? We get this energy from food we eat. Food gives us the energy to live and grow. We also need food to work and to play. Healthy food makes us strong. Can you work if you do not eat food for a full day? So just imagine a fasting day when your mother fasts or your father fasts, or if you have to fast for the full day, if you do not eat the full day, will you be able to work? Will you be able to play? Won't you feel weak? Yes, we would feel weak if we do not eat food for the full day. So it is written, we feel weak if we miss our lunch or dinner. So when we come back from school, you children come back from school, you are like, please mama, give me food, I'm feeling very hungry. Why? Because you have been playing, you have been working whole day, and now your body needs food. See, a small little baby also needs food, and the food of the little baby is milk. So a baby is drinking milk from the bottle, then a child is having fruits, and that's a healthy food, and a young couple is eating food in a restaurant. So every living creature needs food to grow, to live, to play, to work. We cannot grow in age without food. So what does that mean? That if we do not eat food, we will not be able to grow. We will not be able to grow in age. Food is very important to stay healthy and strong. So healthy food makes our bones, muscles strong. We remain fit, we remain healthy. The food we eat different types of food. Yes, don't keep on eating one type of food every day and every time. Is it possible that we eat fruits every time, every day, or we keep on eating rice every day, every time, or we keep eating eggs or meat every day, every time? We eat different types of food. Even in one day, we eat so many different type of food. Plants give us vegetables, pulses, cereals, grains, oils, and fruits. So there are two places, two sources from where the food comes. One is plant and another is animals. What do we get from plants? From plants we get fruits, we get vegetables, we get oil, we get cereals, we get pulses, we get grains. The food we get from the plant is very healthy and it makes us strong. It saves us from diseases. This food gives us a lot of energy. So the food that comes from plants, it gives us a lot of energy. It prevents us from diseases, especially fruits and vegetables. Now, what are grains? We get wheat, rice, maize in form of grains from the plant. So all these things which are wheat, rice, maize, all these particular group is called grains, and these grains we get from plants. Even bajra. We eat wheat a lot. So we eat wheat in the form of chapatis, in the form of buns, breads. Bread, chapati, biscuit, etc. are made of wheat. Then again, one more grain which we all relish every day is rice. Rice is liked by a lot of people. They eat pulao, fried rice, boiled rice, and many other type of rice. And we make so many different dishes with rice. Dosa is made from rice. Okay, vada is made from rice. So many South Indian dishes, they are made from rice, and rice is being eaten just like that in the form of rice, only in the form of pulao or fried rice or boiled rice with different vegetables or pulses. Correct? So these are the pictures of the food items that is being made out of grains, and it is plant-based food. Now pulses. What are pulses? Pulses are the seeds of the plants that we eat. So for example, beans, grams, chana, different dals, all these are the dried chickpeas. Even the peas is also, green peas is also the seed of the plant, and these are all the pulses. So pulses are the seeds of the plants that we can eat. We make dal with the pulses. There are different types of pulses: lentils, dry beans, dry chickpeas, etc. All these are the pulses. Now fruits and dry fruits. Plants give us a lot of fruits. We all love to eat fruits, don't we? So what do we get out of plants? We get fruits from plants. Fruits are that part of the plant which has seeds in it, and they are sweet, they are delicious. We all enjoy eating fruits. I love to eat bananas, apples, watermelon, orange, pomegranate, grapes, strawberry. All these are delicious, juicy fruits. So we eat mangoes, apples, banana, grapes, watermelons, etc. Different fruits grow in different seasons. We should eat only seasonal fruits. So if there are summers, we should eat fruits which comes in summers. If it is winters, we should eat those fruits which comes in winters. So we should eat the seasonal fruits. For example, mango. It comes in summer. It is a summer fruit. We should not eat a mango which has been stored in summer for the winters. Okay, because in winters it is not the season of mango and the mango that we get is not fresh. So what we should do? We should eat seasonal fruits. Fruits protect us from diseases. Fruits makes us strong. So how does fruit help us? How are they useful to us? One, they are very delicious. Secondly, they make us very strong. And thirdly, they protect us from different diseases. Cough and cold is being avoided if we eat a lot of fruits. We also eat some fruits that are dried. So on plants, those type of fruits also grow, which we eat when they get dried. And what are they called? They are called dry fruits. So what most of the mothers, most of the parents do when their children are going to the school, they just give a handful of dry fruits like almonds or cashews or walnuts in their hands so that they can eat it. And why? Because they make our bones strong. Also, they gives us energy, and when children are going to the school to play and work, they need a lot of energy, and that's why parents give them a handful of dry fruits while they are leaving their houses for the school. So they are called dry fruits like almonds, cashews, walnuts, pistachios, raisins, etc. Now we get vegetables from the plants. We get many vegetables from plants. Most of the vegetables are cooked to eat. So most of the vegetables, we do not eat them raw, we cook them. But there are some vegetables which can be eaten raw and we eat them in salad. For example, cucumber and radish, onion. So all these can be eaten raw. Okay, and vegetables are very healthy. Leafy vegetables are very good for our eyes and for our bones. So parents keep on telling us that please eat green leafy vegetables. It will make your eyes strong. It will make your bones strong, like spinach, okay, and sarso. All these are the soya beans leaves. So all these green leafy vegetables actually make your bones very strong. So potato, yam, ginger and garlic, these are the some of the vegetables. Green vegetables are these: cauliflowers and pumpkin, spinach. Now falling vegetables can be also eaten raw: turnip, onion, carrot, radish and cucumber. We can make a delicious salad out of these and eat them raw. Now, what else do we get from plants? We get oil from the plants. Mustard seeds can be grounded to make oil out of it. Similarly, sunflower seeds are being grounded to make oil out of it. Peanut oil also we get, groundnut oil. So we also get oil seeds from the plant. Oils from these seeds used to cook food, even to apply on our body. But to cook food, we get oil from the plants like mustard oil, palm oil, sunflower oil and coconut oil. Now let's write what are people eating only plants as food are called. They are called vegetarians. Which are your favorite vegetables and fruits? For me, my favorite fruit is mango. And my favorite vegetable, it is spinach. Yes, I love having spinach. So whatever your favorite vegetable and fruit is, please write over here. Food we get from animals. Now, the next food that we get is from animals. For example, we eat the animals as meat. We eat hen, we can eat pig. So all these food can be eaten as meat. Also, we get eggs from hens and ducks. These are the animal products. We get milk from the cow, and from that milk, so many other products can be made. Curd, cheese, butter. So what are these food called? These are called animal-based food. And let's start reading about it. We get food from animals mainly in three forms: milk, eggs, and meat. So milk, eggs, and meat. Animals are kept as pet to get food from them. So we tame the animals, we train them, we domesticate them, and we keep them as our pets so that we can get food out of them. So milk. Many animals give us milk. These animals are also called milch animals. So these animals are called milch animals, like cow or goat, camel, buffalo. These animals are called milch animals, from which we extract milk. Milk is very healthy. All milk products are very healthy. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, and camels. So these are the pictures of milch animals. We can make different products from milk, and they are called dairy products. They are called dairy products. So the products that are made from the milk, they are called dairy products. Curd, butter, cheese, and ghee are some dairy products. So which are the different products that are being made by milk? Those are curd, butter, cheese, and ghee. We also make chocolates, ice creams, toffees, etc. using milk products. So all these products are milk products, but not very healthy, just like curd, butter, or cheese, or ghee. So we should eat such food in less quantity because they are made in factories, and there are a lot of it goes under a lot of process. So chocolates, ice cream, toffees, etc. Okay, so these are the pictures of the milk products, the dairy products, curd, butter, and cheese. Then at home, when we want to make something sweet, we make kheer, custard, ice cream. Chocolates and candies are also made, and ice cream are also made by milk. Now, next thing that we get from animals are eggs. So we get eggs from animals like hen and ducks. Some other animals also give eggs, but eggs of hens and ducks are eaten by most people. So these are the pictures of the hen and ducks, and they give us eggs which most of the people eat. Other egg-giving animals are goose, turkey, hilza, etc. But the eggs of these birds are not very commonly eaten. Next product that we get from animals is meat. Some people eat the flesh of animals. This is called meat. So what is meat? Flesh of the animals. Animals like goats, lamb, deer, fish, and chicken are meat-giving animals. In some countries, a lot of animals like crabs, pigeons, turkey, snails, and snakes are also eaten. So people in China, they eat snakes. Okay, people living around coastal regions, they eat crabs and other seafood. All right, so the flesh of these animals are being eaten, like goat, lamb, deer, fish, chicken, crab, pigeon, turkey, snake, snail. Even in some countries, frog is also being eaten, lizard is also being eaten. So these are the flesh animals, flesh-giving animals, and yeah, we get food from these animals. People eating only plants as their food are called vegetarians, and people eating the flesh of animals also, they are called non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarian eat vegetarian food also. Now, what are healthy eating habits? We eat food to remain healthy. That you all know that why do we eat food? We eat food to remain healthy. So we can only be healthy if we have healthy eating habits. We should always wash our hands before eating food and after eating food. So we can remain healthy. One, we are eating healthy food. But along with that, we should follow healthy eating habits so that we prevent the germs from entering our body. One of the healthy eating habit is washing your hands before and after eating your food. Then we should only eat healthy food like vegetables, fruit, egg, meat. So we should eat only healthy food and avoid eating junk food. So food should always be covered. We should eat fruits after washing them. So whenever we are eating fruits and vegetables, we should always wash them before cooking and before eating them. So that is one of the healthy habits. We should cook and eat food with clean utensils. So whenever we are eating something, we should eat them in clean plates. We should drink water in clean glass. Otherwise, we can have germs in our body and we can fall sick. Now, what is a healthy diet? Food like fruits, vegetables and milk is known as healthy diet. Eggs and meat are also healthy. We should not eat food like burgers, pizza, etc. It is not a healthy diet. A healthy diet only includes fruits, vegetable, milk and eggs. Alright? So please avoid eating junk food once in a while is still okay for the taste, but junk food is not doing anything good for you. It is just making you lethargic, making you fat and making you unhealthy and unfit. Sharing food. Sharing food with family and friends is very important. So whenever you are at home with your family members, with your cousins, with your friends, you should always share food. But do not share food with someone who is sick. So that is very important. We should also share food with needy and the poor. So whenever we have some extra food, we should share them with needy and poor people. What do? We throw food and we waste food and do not give them to needy and poor people. That is not at all a good habit. Instead of throwing away the food, at least give them to someone who needs it. Make sure you distribute food to needy people on your birthday every year. So you can make this a habit that whenever your birthday comes, you donate food to poor and needy people. This can be the best birthday celebration. Alright, so the terms that we learned today is food. Things we eat to get energy and grow is called food. Vegetarians, people who eat only food from plants, are called vegetarians, and non-vegetarians, people who eat food from animals. Now, in a nutshell, that things we eat to get energy and grow are called food. We get food from plants and animals. People who eat only food from plants are called vegetarians. People eating flesh of the animals and vegetarian food also are called non-vegetarians. Let's complete this exercise and see what have we learned today. Choose the correct option. We get oil seeds from sunflower plant. Dash is a milch animal. Cow is a milch animal. So people eating both animal and plant food are called non-vegetarians. This is a healthy food. Milk is a healthy food. Let's fill in the blanks and see what do we know. Things we eat to get energy are called food. We get our food from plants and animals. Milk animals are milk-giving animals. You have to write 4 products that we get from plants as foods. We get fruits, vegetables, pulses, and cereals from plants as food. Milk is used to make milk products. Curd is made from milk. Sharing food with family and friends is very important. Now, you have to name the following 3 dairy products: ghee, butter, and cheese. 2 meat-giving animals: hen, fish. 2 fruits that we eat in summer: mango, orange. Next, 3 vegetables we eat only in winter. We eat spinach, carrot, cauliflower. 2 healthy food items: fruits, vegetables. Now, there are some fun-based questions that you can do yourself with your family, with your friends, and learn more about this chapter. You have to make a list of 5 food items where you can use different kinds of fruits together. So, for example, you can make a fruit juice, mixed fruit juice, or fruit salad, or custard, or fruit cake. So, all these food items require different fruits together to make that food. Okay, so there is this series, animal series given. You have to complete each row and see what will be the next member of the series. I'll do the first one for you. So the pattern says goat, fish, goat, and the fish is missing. So what will we do? We will put fish over here. Similarly, you have to do the next 3 rows. Also, what you can do is tonight you can help your mother to complete the process of making curd and see how does she make curd and what steps does she follow to make curd. You must have seen many fruits, vegetables and dry fruits, and they come in different shapes and sizes. Many dry fruits, they resemble some of our body organ. So you can just observe the shapes of different dry fruits and see that which body organ does it resemble. So for example, what resembles our eye? Almond resembles our eye. So please find out with the help of your teacher and your parents that which dry fruit or vegetable or fruit resemble our bone, brain and stomach. Okay, so here is a crossword puzzle over here and there is a help box in which the names of fruits given. You have to find out the names of the fruits from here. For example, muskmelon. In the first line it is written muskmelon. So please find out names of all these fruits and have fun. I hope you have learned a lot about food that we eat, what to eat, how to eat, and what healthy habits should we follow. So keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.